everyone, welcome to Green Gander 75. I'm Buddy, and welcome to a nice cool October evening, one of our first cool snaps of the year. Nice and chilly and feeling nice here in the shop. So today we're gonna jump right down into our project for today, and today we are cleaning up the 14.5-inch South Bend lathe. South Bend lathe set for about a year, actually a little over a year. Completely untouched and got a little bit rusty. We had some water that came inside the garage, not too much, just a little bit on the floor during one of the hurricanes this past year, and between that and good old Florida humidity, well, we got some rust on some parts that we had worked on previously. We'll go ahead and see if we can get that cleaned up. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, welcome back. So, everything went pretty well with our cleanup project here. We had a few issues with some staining, which I guess would be be expected. Seeing as I'm not polishing, all I'm doing is getting rust off the surface and then coating with a nice coat of oil. So we had some issues with some staining on the gearbox here. The knob here, you know, it's not going to be shiny anymore. It's going to have some stains on it. But that was the reason why I didn't really shine anything up on this project, because I knew at some point you can't help it, something's going to get rusty in Florida. So I wanted to leave it in a state that would allow me to clean the rust off and you know, not have to worry about pulling things off, you know, knobs and handles and all to reshine them. To me, that's just going to be a waste of time when you live in an area that's very you know, live in an area that's very high humidity, and yeah, everything's going to get rusty. No matter what you do, everything will get rusty at some point. So for the most part, everything went well. I've got some stuff still in the evaporust. I've got some gears that got very rusty that are in evaporust right now. I'm not going to show that on camera. Just go ahead and get those cleaned up, get them nice and oiled up, and get that taken care of. So next up, we're going to go ahead and move on and finish cleaning up the taper attachment and some other various parts of the lathe. So that will be the next part coming up. Looking forward to that, and looking forward for y'all to join me on this journey of restoring the South Bend lathe, and getting me a lathe that I can use for the shop. I'm looking forward to that. So once again, I want to thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for your comments, and looking forward to the next time, and y'all have a good evening.